working in a creative role. So when I had my apartment, I was like, I will come, I know my taste, I will do everything alone. Yeah, this was exactly my thought process until I entered to the empty apartment. And I was like, oh my goodness, so what now? So then this was the time when I contacted Amanda, and then she understood the assignment immediately. She was super quick, and it was just fun to work together with her. So yeah, highly recommend. Thank you, Amanda. I'm fully in love with the apartment. And yeah, that's it. So thank you again, and have a nice day. Bye. Bye.